Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the motor replacement process on your Dyson SV46, you will need a few specific tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a torque wrench. Make sure you have these on hand before starting. First, unplug the vacuum from the wall outlet to ensure safety during the repair. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main unit. This will give you better access to the motor area. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motor cover. There should be 4 screws located around the perimeter of the cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you're unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor cover off. You may notice some dust buildup inside. It's a good idea to clean this area using a dry cloth or a small vacuum attachment. This not only helps in maintaining your vacuum but also provides a clear view of the motor. Now, locate the motor assembly. You'll see a connector attached to the motor. Carefully unplug it by pulling it straight out. After disconnecting the power, use your torque wrench to remove the bolts holding the motor in place. There are typically 3 bolts. Make sure to remember their positions for reinstallation. If you find the process challenging, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. This way, you won't have to worry about transporting your vacuum anywhere. With the bolts removed, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to inspect the area for any debris or blockages. A clean environment will ensure your new motor works efficiently. Now, take your new motor and place it into the housing, aligning it with the bolt holes. Secure the motor by replacing the bolts you removed earlier. Tighten each bolt gradually to ensure a secure fit, but avoid over-tightening as this may cause damage. Next, connect the motor's power connector by pushing it firmly until it clicks into place. Ensure that it is seated correctly to avoid any electrical issues later on. Once everything is connected, replace the motor cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the previously removed screws. Finally, reattach the dustbin to the vacuum and plug it back into the outlet. Before you start using it, we recommend checking for any unusual sounds or movements. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront without any surprises. In summary, replacing the motor on your Dyson SV46 can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and some patience, you can restore your vacuum to its original performance. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.